Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. I get down and get straight to the point. This is 2025. This is Thanksgiving. Customer had made a booked an appointment with us, and we said we'll be there in 45 minutes, by which we could not make it in time because the traffic was back to back, and we sent the customer a message. The customer had a legitimate feeling that she was getting scammed, by which she had a legitimate feeling. So before I have her say whatever she wishes to say, and we never stage absolutely anything, first of all, if you're going to have anybody come to your vehicle to do any repairs, check them out. Google reviews. You cannot pay for Google reviews. You cannot just pay and have fake Google reviews. It's not going to work. Go to your Facebook page. You should have some some kind of social media presence. But just remember, with Facebook, you can fake and buy reviews. Don't do it. In the state of Virginia, actually all 50 states, you can ask for the company who shows up, make sure their vehicle is legitimate, doesn't look like a piece of shit or running worse than yours or some kind of car. Make sure it looks like we are an LLC. As you can see, we're people for profit. We're on Facebook, we're on TikTok. Check the people out. But anyway, all 50 states, you can ask for their business license. They must present their business license. Look at the way they're dressed, look at your demeanor. Trust your gut feeling. So, ma'am, what was your issue you had?
Well, my car would start, but it wouldn't turn over, so I couldn't drive it. So,
Okay.
And I had been a couple of places. I was able to drive the car, and I just kept getting, when they would come out to jump the car, one of the person had said, like, I needed it. It was a starter.
Okay.
So, anyways, I've been using my relative car for the past couple of days, and I'm just over that. I thought you were trying to scam me, but you're real in the flesh. You came here. You're simple, and we're just waiting for the part. So you guys.
Does she mean I'm mentally simple, ladies and gentlemen? Gotcha.
I can't take it. But y'all, he's legit. He shows me he got reasonable prices, and he's actually got me a discount on the part. So you see this video of me talking now, and you will actually see the video in a couple of days with him getting with my car actually being fixed and me driving off. So yeah, he's true, y'all.
So what was also the thing that we discovered that you didn't even know it was existing?
My oil was leak. I had an oil leak, and I just got I had paid someone to do my oil like in October, so I thought I was good on that end. But I'm just like any other woman. I don't know about cars, so if somebody fixes my car and say something's done, I go with it. So.
Okay, so I need to stop you there. I have daughters. Women are smart. Women rule the world. Mm-hmm. Number two, I like to tell people a lot of good things come out of bad. So even if your starter never went out, you would have lost your engine one way or Sunday. Also, your oil is extremely dirty. So there's a lot of stuff that you didn't know. Also,
we got to do that to the oil with the starter. So.
What was one of the also about your part? What place did I recommend after we found out the price at the parts store?
Advance. What was
the second place?
Advance AutoZone?
No, the second place.
Amazon.
Amazon. So a lot of people send me messages about Amazon is shit. That's a complete lie. I actually use Amazon prices. I actually am an Amazon person who just buys everything on Amazon. Basically, I would never ever ask a customer to ever buy anything from Amazon unless I do it myself. All you have to do is get the part number from the parts store, type it into Amazon, and you probably will find it on Amazon. People are saying, oh, well, why is it so cheap on there? Why would I do that? Well, Amazon is a non-brick and mortar store, so they buy in bulk. When you buy in bulk, they can sell it a lot cheaper. All you have to do is go to your phone, type in the year, make, model of your vehicle, and I have lots of videos on YouTube and TikTok about this, so I just don't talk the way I talk. Also, mechanics, they make money off of parts. Mine is people for profit because I choose to, and that's why I am where I am, because I choose to do what I do. They make money off the parts, so they're making money off the parts and they're making money off the labor. I take the customer or tell them where to get the part. I don't care where they get the part at, as long as it's not a piece of garbage. I will install it for them because I'm in the exact same economy. So anyway, you go to your phone, you go to Amazon, you type in the year, the make, the model, the engine size there. Once you click on it, you'll see a bunch of parts. Click on the part. Look where it says it fits or don't fit. It's going to ask you to do a garage, which is going to be your vehicle. Once you put it on the information, you're going to go ahead and click filter. Once you click filter, you're going to go back to that part or a part. Click on it. It will let you know it fits. And I guarantee you it will be half the price. Trust and believe, I do the same thing for my family and for myself and all of my customers. So I'm not going to tell her or blow smoke up her ass or your ass, and yes, I'm saying ass on TikTok, because I just want to be famous. I'm not here to be famous. I'm here to help you guys out. With that being said, I'm in the 757 area. We do pre-purchase used car inspections. If you want to be a mobile mechanic, you can go to that website. That is right there, edit.com. We will teach you how to be a mobile mechanic if you need be. We also have an Amazon store. We have parts, not parts. We have actually tools that we actually sell, and we also sell the documents to help you because we want you to be successful. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share and follow. Anything else, ma'am?
I'm just glad that I was blessed to meet you today. I'm glad that you're going to be the person that's working on my car.
Very sorry to hear that. Very sorry to hear that, ma'am. Last question. Who's your football team?
I like Russell Wilson, so whatever team he's on, that guy that's married to Sierra, is that the Giants?
Okay, so
that's how I follow my teams.
Oh God! So since she didn't say the Raiders, we're gonna charge her extra $300. Have a good Thanksgiving 2025 November. Thank you.